Alright, this is a review on the JE car gas cap for Jeep Wranglers, JKs and JKUs, so 2 or 4 doors. The smiley face gas cover, but many of the other gas cap covers that they sell are going to be similar install. So far the quality seems very top notch, pretty similar to the Jeep Wrangler Mopar edition. Some of them come together, some of them come apart. And I'm going to show you how to take it apart and how to put it in the Jeep Wrangler. So first of all, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, Phillips number 2. You're going to need some pry bar or a straight head, a torque wrench set for 15-inch pounds, and a 4mm Allen wrench. They do give you an Allen wrench included, but they recommend that you torque it. You may need a flashlight to see into the brake area. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off the driver's side taillight lens. Some Jeep Wranglers come with the brush guard cover, some do not. You will notice that there is 2 longer bolts. They are on the right side of the taillight, and 2 shorter bolts that are on the left side. Once you have it, depending on how long your taillight has been sitting there, it may be stuck. Just slowly pry it away and then pull it out. Next, you will need to unhook the taillights. On these, you simply press the button, pull up. Slide it off, set it aside. Next, when you look inside, you'll notice that there are tabs onto this that you'll have to pop to pull out the original. So first you'll take off the gas cap. If you have the tethering system, you'll have to pop it off, as so. Simply just pull it right off. And slowly work around with the tabs. As you can see, slowly work your way around. As you get closer, you notice there's a gasket that goes right where the gas cap is. You take that off as well, and there you have it. It is taken off. And you'll tell that this is pretty similar to the gas cap side. To install it is separate. I normally like to wipe off my stuff. And you're simply going right in, lining up, and slowly tapping it in. Once you hear them all click, it is successfully installed. You will then have to install the new gasket that they do provide you. Okay, some minor difficulties. We got the seal in place. It may be easier to put the seal in while it's out. If not, you'll have to run a screwdriver or pry bar around while you're doing it. Next, you gotta put the tethering gas cap back on. This does have a spot for it. You just gotta push it back into the little piece. Give it some good force, and then it'll stay on. And then you put on the gas cap. Now at this point, then you gotta put back on the brake light assembly. Again, reverse as before. Slide this piece back on. Click everything back together. Set that, grab your brush cover if you have it. And then put your screws back on. Okay, and then from here you may want to tighten these. Again, torque wrench. They seem to have put together on there pretty good. Again, they tell you 15 inch-pounds. And there you have it, folks. Smiley face Jeep gas cover.